We're going to talk about how we can set up a good Feng Shui setting in 2025. So this is so important. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how we can set up a good Feng Shui setting in 2025. So this is so important. And we just simply use our yearly flying star to do that. But to do a more like a precise Feng Shui setting, we need to have a more detail. We will calculate the mountain side, the water side, like a 20-year flying star, and all of them. But just for this 2025 Feng Shui setting, we use the most simple one, which is the yearly flying star. Okay, first of all, we need to find the middle point of our home. So just like the diagram like this, we find the middle point, and then from this middle point, we can find, hey, where's the east part of our home, where's the south part, the north, and then the west, so we know how to do the Feng Shui setting. Okay, after you find the middle point, then we can use the yearly flying star to do that. Okay, by this diagram, you can see that this is the yearly flying star in 2025. Okay, we can talk one by one. Okay, first of all, we are talking about the number one flying star first. So we can see that for the number one flying star, it goes all the way to the southeast. But in this year, the southeast location, which is more complicated. The reason is for all the southeast, there's a two area which is more important. The southeast to the east, which is the three killings. So by these terms, three killings, you know that these three killings get some like a damaging energy. Normally, we should not put any like a wet object over there. We will not put any like a running water fountain in this area in order to minimize, to boost the unlucky energy. And then for the southeast to the south, which is the Tai Shui over there. And again, we will not do anything like remodeling over this area. We'll keep this simple. So this is more like easy to us. So only the southeast, okay, all the southeast is 45 degrees. The southeast to the east, that 15 degrees, there's a three killings. And another, the southeast to the south, another 15 degrees, there's a Tai Shui. So the most suitable part for us to do some Feng Shui setting, which is the true southeast, that 15 degrees, which is good for us to do some Feng Shui setting. And in 2025, you can see that the number one flying star go all the way to the southeast. But in this 15 degrees, what we can do is, this number one is below to the water energy. And then you can see that this is, we call the start of the education. Will boost our education smart and also boost our money luck. Since this number one, which is the second most benefit, most auspicious start in this like a number 9 in charge period, which is from 2024 up to 2044. So in these 20 years, number 9 is the best, and then number 1 is the second. So in order to do that, what you can do is, maybe you can move your home office to this true southeast location to make use of this benefit of number 1, so can boost your like education smart. It will help your study. It will also help you to have a more like creative idea. Maybe you just sit there, have a coffee. There's some good like a suggestion will show up in your mind and help you to fix your issue. So this is good location. It's good for your kids, and then it's also good for you. Or if you can't sit over there, you can use some like a water element. We can use some water bamboo. Those bamboo grow on the water. We can put some water bamboo in this southeast location. That will definitely help. So make use of that. That will help you. Okay, the second location, which is in the middle of our property, which is we call the start of a sickness. So you can see that this number 2 is really bad luck. It will make you sick. So we'll try all our best to avoid this location. So do not use the middle of our home to be our home office or master bedroom. Stay to minimize the usage. It will definitely help. And then you can see that this number 2 is belong to the earth element, and this is inauspicious earth element. So we can use metal to like a neutralize it, weaken it. So we can put more like a metal stuff, metal decoration in the middle. Then that will definitely help. Okay, another star, which is the northwest location, which is the number 3 fine stars, go all the way to the northwest location. And number 3, we can see that this is the start of the argument, will make you have a conflict between you and your spouse and your family member. So again, we will minimize the usage of the northwest location. Don't use that to be your home office, or if your master bedroom is over there, then you need to do a lot of things. Okay, this number 3 is belong to the wood element, so you can use some fire element to burn it. That would be good. But here we need to pay attention, because this number 3, the northwest location, the later haven bagua is belong to the number 6. Okay, we know that this later haven bagua here is those numbers will not change, but the yearly fine star, it will change from time to time. And then this number 6 is belong to our reputation, our status. So if you use fire to burn the wood, you can do that, but you will hurt this number 6. So we can't use fire in this northwest location. So what are we going to do? So here we need to use some metal element here. You cut the wood and you help this later haven bagua number 6, so it can have like a both benefit, hurting this argument start number 3 and help this later haven bagua number 6. It will help. So more metal decoration on the northwest, it will definitely help. Okay, and other fine star is the number 4. Number 4 is also good for study, so it's similar to number 1. But that number 4 is particularly for study. It won't help your like a business. It won't help to boost your financial fortune, but it will only help your study. So this location is good for you, your kids to stay there as an office, home office. That will definitely help. And since this is a lucky wood energy, so you can also use some like a plant wood element to boost this number 4, or just simply use the west location, be your office or home office. That will definitely help. Okay, and other fine star, which is the number 5. Number 5, which is we call the start of a disaster, which is the most dangerous start for in all the fine star. So it will create some disaster situation, and it belongs to the earth energy, and it go all the way to the northeast, and northeast is also belong to the earth energy, so will further trigger the damaging energy. So you need to put a lot of metal over there to neutralize it and minimize to use this northeast location, and don't put any red decoration on the northeast. That will definitely help. Okay, and other fine star, which is number 6, because the start of a reputation is related to your social status, reputation. If you want to run for office, if you are like a government officer, you want to have some promotion, you need to boost the luck for this number 6. Okay, it belongs to the metal element and go all the way to the south. South is belong to the fire. The fire will burn this like a metal. So here we need to use like a earth to neutralize it. So we put some earth element here. So the fire will generate the earth, and then the earth will finally generate the metal. And you can also put some metal decoration on the south. It will also help to boost this number 6. Okay, and other fine star is a number 7. Number 7 you can see that it's a start of a robbery. It's bad for money fortune. So for the north, this is a bad luck location. Don't use it as a home office and don't use it as a master bedroom. But if you have no choice, you need to use some water element to neutralize this metal. Some blue color can benefit, or some like a water plants like water bamboo or water ivy will help to neutralize this number 7. Okay, the next 8, it go all the way to the southwest. So this is, we call the start of a money luck. This is a lucky start. And it go all the way to the southwest. So it can help this number 8. You can use it as your home office, stay there, and then use it more often. That will help. Or your master bedroom is over there. That will definitely help. Or you can also like stay there more often. That will definitely help. Okay, the last 5 star is a number 9, which is the best in this number 9 in charge period from 2024 and up to 2044. So in this 20 year, this number 9 is the best. It's called the start of the happiness. It bring you have some like a money fortune, love energy, happiness, celebration, good thing will happen. But this year, there will be some embarrassment because this start go all the way to the east, and all the east is belong to the 3 killings. So there's some bad luck over there, but the good start over there. So we don't want to trigger the bad luck, so we can just simply use it. We don't want to use some water bamboo or water fountain to boost the luck, because you boost the luck, you also boost this like a 3 killings. We don't want to do that. So we can just simply use this east location. That will help. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Good luck. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.